It is December 1st of 2025. I've had a very crazy year, so I want to attempt to do some form of Vlogmas. It's probably not going to be every day, probably a few times a week. So this is the start of that as I get ready for work. But yeah, I thought today the big thing could be we're going to put up the Christmas tree. So during this past year, my husband and I moved from Ohio to North Carolina in January, and then in September, October, we moved from North Carolina to Richmond, Virginia. So that is where we now live, and we actually just went home to Ohio for Thanksgiving to see family, and we also had a storage unit still full of stuff. So we ended up getting a U-Haul and bringing it back, bringing everything back. So we will have our Christmas tree to put up today, and I also have some boxes I have to go through of stuff that I just have not seen in over a year. So I also have to work today, so I'm gonna get ready for work, and then here when I take lunch, we'll try to put up the Christmas tree. Okay, cool. Okay, I am dressed for work and ready. I just put on my new Disney World sweatshirt when we were just there a few weeks ago, and a pair of leggings and some Christmas slippers because it's December 1st as I'm filming this, so time to get into the spirit. Okay, I'm gonna work on making my coffee. This is like one of my favorite things to put in my coffee right now. I got from Trader Joe's. I'll take a spoonful of brown sugar and a spoonful of the vanilla bourbon paste. And that's how I've been making my coffee recently. Now I'm going to brew the espresso over this. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of it. Okay, it is currently 8:44. I start work at 9. I do work from home, but I'm not gonna take you along with me for that. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and drink my coffee. And I think I'm gonna clock in just a little bit early, only because we had a few days off last week for Thanksgiving. And I just kind of want some time to ease into things. So I will see you guys at lunch. Okay, I just clocked out for work and I have an hour for lunch. So I am going to go ahead and put up the Christmas tree, even though it's a little bit of a mess downstairs. But I'm going to make it work. So currently it's an absolute mess down here, but this is our tree that we actually did not get to put up last year because we were moving from Ohio to North Carolina for my husband's job. But we're thinking it's going to go over there if it fits, because this tree is actually pretty tall. And then we have a bunch of random stuff that we gathered while we were home. So, yeah, we're going to work on it and we're going to see. This might be a little too big right here. So I think I'm going to actually switch around something that's in our living room and put it here, and then put the tree over there. I think that's the new plan. Oh, I forgot how big this thing was. Whoops.
Okay, now that the tree is up and on, and I put the tree skirt on under it, I also went ahead and poured my afternoon pick-me-up of Coke Zero into my Christmas cup that I got from the Daily Grind. I am gonna go ahead and hop back onto work and probably just put on a Christmas movie in the background while I work to make it a little more festive and magical. But be sure to stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos. I'm gonna walk you through like my decorations and decorating the tree and all that fun stuff. Also, I have to do like a haul of all the stuff I got from Disney recently. So be sure to stay tuned for all that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little part 1 of Vlogmas, and I hope to see you soon. All right, bye.